What's up, everybody? It's your boy Alan Wade, aka King Alan Alexander, on all social medias. It's a rainy day here in Philadelphia. Actually, Upper Darby, PA is where I'm at, and I'm getting ready to leave out for work. But right before I left, I wanted to make a quick video to drop you guys something to watch on this rainy day if you're stuck in a house or if you're stuck in an office and you need something to watch and you are one of my subscribers. So a couple of months ago, I dropped a video called Dominica episode 1, and I walked you guys through Dominica and I showed you guys some land that my family's building on. Well, the last time I was in Dominica, I flew the drone over top of the land and got some pretty interesting shots. They're clearing out the land and getting ready to build, so I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated with the progress of that and the building. So I want to show you guys a cool drone footage that I captured, and yeah. So check this footage out. So this is my mom's land from right here to right there. There's a wall right here. It stops right there behind that wall, right there to this fence right here. So this is the land. If you guys remember from my last video, okay, autofocus, yeah. From my last video, there was a huge container right here, and as you can see, the backhoe cleared off the container. I guess they like demolished it with that, flattened it out, and rolled it over with those. I'm thinking. I'm not sure. Or maybe they just flattened it out with that. So, let's see. Let's see. Boom. You guys can see the size of this thing. It's kind of big compared to my hand. Huge. So, the land extends from here where I'm standing all the way to the back wall, side wall. My mom said they built this wall and took a couple feet or something of her land, which I think is true, but it's okay because there's still plenty to build on. And let's see the other side. So we're talking about from here to about right here, which is a lot of space to build. And we're going to go. They're going to start excavating soon. They're already clearing it off, and I think later on today, hopefully, I can get some footage of them digging some more, or maybe removing this stuff and fly the drone overhead. That'd be pretty cool. Big machinery. It's nice to watch. That was my drone. I was in the other house. I flew over there to see if they started again. Yeah. Yeah, I got pretty close and then I turned a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. I can still see this mark right here. I was at the beach yesterday and I got bit by a mosquito. My cousin's laughing at me right now. I got bit by a mosquito yesterday. You can still see it. So the backhoe is putting all the debris inside of the truck, as you guys can see right now, clearing off the land, which is pretty cool to look at, pretty cool to watch. That's dope. Yeah, can't wait for him to get done. He's about to take the load away and empty out the truck like he did before, turn off the backhoe, and yeah, it's getting pretty clear. It's getting late, so I'm gonna turn up my ISO a little bit. Give some little brightness. There lies bakery. Finest bread. Look at that, boy. Vicious. Alright, it might be time for us to get the freak out of the way. Yes! Common rule. I know. Pretty cool footage, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. You saw the drone. The drone I used was the Mavic Pro by DJI. Pretty good drone. As you guys can see, it captures great footage. And I think I have my GH4 with me, so I was able to capture some footage on ground of the crane moving. So yeah, pretty cool footage. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just some real light entertainment for you guys on a rainy day. I got some tutorials coming up, Photoshop tutorials and After Effects tutorials that I'm working on. I think I said that in the last video, but it's okay. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys another day. Peace.